In this video, we'll show you how to create save section and discuss template versioning and what the different section and entry types do. If you wanted to save an entire section so that you can reuse it to build another template, you can simply save it. To save the section, click on the advanced icon and select Save Section. You can rename the section if you'd like and click Save. Once it is saved, it will be located in the Save sections on the right column. Template versioning is where you can make edits to the template, and if you don't like the changes you've made, you can revert back to the previous version. What you would need to do is save your template first, prior to making any changes so that it's your initial template version. Make the changes you'd like, click Save. To revert back to the previous template format, go to the Settings and select Versions. Here you'll see that you have multiple versions of the template, and if you click on each one, you'll see what the previous changes have been made. And if you wanted to roll them back, click the roll back and confirm. Now, let's talk about the different section and entry types. Within the section and entries, you can choose the type of text you'd like to create. For example, section, group, paragraph, number, list, smart pick, and fixed text. Group creates a simple section with a list of grouped entries. This is often used to create a rounds template, which we have in our VetRec template library. Paragraph gives you a text. Number gives you a number as an entry. List creates a bullet point entry format. Smart Pick allows the AI to choose what entry to choose based on your recording. I made an example of this in the plan and weight goals area. And fixed text is an entry with fixed text exactly as you put it in the value. For example, fixed text, your signature, and your name. And that's how you can further style your templates. Hope you have fun creating your own template.